Hey guys, this is Jeremy here from Nuxt 3 Tutorials. To fetch data in Nuxt 3, all you need is this, right? This is a GET request, and really this is just a function, but all you need is just a single line to fetch data. And if I remove this, right? If I remove this is all you need to fetch data in Nuxt 3. So this is the endpoint. Since this is API, what we're doing here is I'm actually calling from the server on the same machine in Nuxt 3. So I'm calling this from here, and users would be right here. That's where I'm calling this from, right? And then we have like a catch-all route here that does some other stuff. But to make a GET request in Nuxt 3 using fetch, this is how I like to do it, just like this. So, but if you want to send some headers as well, this is how you do it. This is how you fetch data. Easy, simple, straightforward. But what if you wanted, see here we're getting data, but what if you wanted to send a post request? To send a post request, you do it like this. All you need is, say I remove the header and the body. All you need is this. You just say method post. That means we're sending data to this endpoint right here. And this is API authent register, and all it is just it's going to this endpoint here, which is a catch-all route, because we're doing like we have some complex API routes. Okay, but what if, so also if you wanted to send some headers, then you would send them like that. All right, and so here we're creating a user. But what if we want to update the same user? Okay, so the way we do it is just method put. It's just like the post one, and then headers and a body. In this body, it's this user. It's a user type because we're using TypeScript. And then if you want to delete the user, it's the same thing. Method delete, send the headers and the body. And if you want to spell out the properties and values in the body, then this is how you do it. And that's how you fetch data in Nuxt. All right, 3. Hey, if you want to learn about Nuxt 3 authentication, I have a tutorial where I teach people, students that are serious about Nuxt 3 and authentication. And we create an app that looks like this. It's a beautiful looking app. It's really simple, but the whole goal here is to teach you about authentication, right? So let's say we want to, if I want to log in here as it's an example that I had before, as Rachel at example, I have hello, so I click that. We can log in as Rachel. We can get Rachel's information right here and send it to wherever we want. You can log out here and you see how this changes back to this not logged in navigation bar. So we can create this from scratch if you want to learn about authentication. But if not, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned how you can fetch data from Nuxt 3. So if you want to learn about authentication, just click the link below and I'll see you in the next one. Shalom.